So students, as I said to you that today I will start a very new chapter, and that chapter name is, just I want to show you, the chapter name is ethics and safety methods. Okay.
Internet. Yes.
So students, the first heading is internet. What are internet? So basically students, before understanding about the internet, we should know about the network. What is network? So students, when two or more computers are connected to each other, then they form network. What it is? If the two or more computers are connected to each other, then it is called network. Is it clear?
Yes.
And when they, so how they will be connected? They can be connected via wired. They can be connected via wireless. Okay.
Yes.
There are two ways to connect, wired and wireless. So students, if they are connected to each other, then it is called network. And if they start to communicate, that means if the communication is start in between the computers, then that is called networking. Then that is called networking. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. So next thing is,
Yes.
okay, I cleared network, I cleared networking. Next one about the internet. So students, internet is the combination, is the collection of networks of network. So networks of network is called internet. What does it mean? It means a internet is the combination of many number of networks. Okay. Okay. So
Yes.
suppose two or more computers are connected in Basti, and two or more computers are connected to the Gorakhpur. Some computers are connected to Lucknow. So if they all connected to each other, then that is network, internet. Is it clear?
Yes.
So that's why I said to you. That's why what I said to you. Network of network is called, what it is called? Network of internet. Very nice. Just wait a second. Give me a moment. So I explained about network of network is called, what it is called?
Internet.
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 Okay.
Internet.
Right. So I think first point is cleared about the internet.
Yes.
So
Yes.
okay,
Yes.
we no need to just go through inside this matter, because there are a lot of things written which are not useful to you. So just understand very that is very conceptual things. Network of networks is called internet. And what is network?
Internet.
What is
Internet.
what is
Network
network?
is one of the largest information.
Do not go inside. Just listen my voice. Network of network is called internet.
Network.
Yes.
Network is usually used by lots of people.
Listen, students.
Internets are used by millions of people.
So that's why I said network is called internet. If you have a big number of networks, then it is internet, because internet are used at globally. That means anyone can communicate with any others in the world. So if we can, so that's why. And network, when two or more computers are connected to each other, then it is called network. So network is called internet. Is it clear right now?
Yes.
Okay, next come to the advantage of network, internet. So there are many advantages of internet. Let me explain one by one. First one is education. Internet has changed the traditional learning system. It is widely used for the education purpose. Scholars, students, and teachers to learn anytime and anywhere. It has shown dramatic impact of higher education as more universities offer online courses. IGNOU is one of the universities which offers this facility. Internet storehouse of information, and it is also used to publish papers and articles. Let me explain you. Students, how this internet is benefited to education system. So right now, in our location, in our area, in our country, there are lockdown. So in the lockdowns, internet is playing a very important role to continue our studies. Okay. So if there is no internet, so it is impossible to teach the students. So due to internet, we can teach, and students can also continue to their studies. Next one is internet is also play important role in the education to the higher education, because some universities provide the online education system. That means they provide the online exams, they provide the books online. So every materials is provided online, the fees is submitted online, and the exam is also having online. So it also benefited to the higher education system. Is it clear to everyone? Clear to everyone?
Yes.
How it is benefited to education system. Next one is convenient mode of communication. So what it is written, internet is a convenient and economical mode of communication. Users can communicate with each other using various services available on the internet, like email, chat, conferencing, instant messaging, etc. So you know that internet play a very important role in the communication of the people. So in a very early of time, the people communicated through the letters. So that letters were taking times, and it was also consuming the monies. That means it will take so much of monies to send the letters, and if you send the letters, then it will take like minimum it will take 3 days to reach at the destination. But right now, internet uh, is playing an important role to communicate. That means there are many applications are available on by that application. You can communicate with your friends, you can communicate with your parents in a very short time. You just use emails, you can use any chatting sites, you can do video conferencing, right? So these type of applications you can use to communicate your parents, to communicate your friends, to communicate your relations, and also you can communicate with the teachers. So I think you can understand, you understood about how it play the important role in the communication. Is it clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, next come to the business. So the internet has brought a new opportunities for business to offer goods and services online, product to be beneficial. Meeting can be conducted inexpensively through the video conferencing. You know that in a business, the internet is also playing an important role. As you know,
Yes.
the suppose your owner is uh, someone is coming. Suppose your owner is in the other part of the country, so he can take meetings. He can take meetings uh, to stay over there with their managers and their employees also. He can communicate with their employees also. So he no need to spend the monies to communicate. He no need to show his products. So everything he can do with the help of internet. So internet play an important role in the business also. Is it clear? Clear or not, students?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So meeting can be conducted with the help of applications. Financial transaction can be made online. Okay. Okay. So the financial transaction can be made online from office, and wait, this financial can this one. Where I was on the business. Okay. So through the video conferencing facilities, physically visiting the place, the financial transaction can be made online from the office or home. So financial transaction means you can pay the money online. You can you can pay money online, so that it will also save the time. It can also take money of the business. It can also save the money of the business, because if someone will go to your home, to your door, then it will take time, and also it will take money of the business, because they will hire a person who goes to who is ready to go to your door and take the money. Is it clear right now?
Yes.
So financial
Sir.
transaction is also happened with the help of internet, and the boss, the manager can take the online meetings with their employees at any place when he will be. That means other part of the country. That means he will not, if he will not present at the company, so he will take the meetings without reaching to the company. So it will take save time. It will save money of the managers. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Next one is e-commerce. So e-commerce means it is the concept used any type of commercial or business deal that that involves. When our class is started, time was
12:50.
12:50 you started class.
No, 11:50.
the time was 11:40, na?
11:50.
Okay.
11:50.
11:50.
Yes, but you started 11:50.
11:50.
Okay, because students were not connected.
Yes.
Okay, students. So e-commerce, it is the concept used for any type of commercial and or business that involves. You know that there are many
Business deal.
listen. Nowadays there are many e-commerce websites where you can purchase your any type of daily use materials. You can purchase your clothes, you can purchase your kitchens products, you can purchase your home decoration products, you can purchase the electronics on the e-commerce sites at your home. So that will be delivered at your door, and you need no need to go to the bank for borrowing the money, for withdrawing the money and submitting to the who the product, who come with the product at your door. So you can pay the money online, and your product will be at your door. So it will save your times, and also students, it will be that means the product will be cheaper, because if the product will comes to many ways, then it will that means it becomes costly. So this internet play a very important role in to the e-commerce companies also. Okay.
Yes.
So you know that many e-commerce there are many e-commerce website sites are Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal. Okay, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Next students, media and internet. What are media and internet? Internet adds value to media and entertainment. You know, you can entertain, you can, that means play games on online, you can listen songs, you can listen videos, you can go to the visiting chat rooms or surfing the web, or any type of things you can do, which the things which can entertain to you. So you will you suppose you are interested to play the cricket, so you can play the online crickets. If you are interested to play the chess, then you can go, you can play it online. So there are many entertainment products are available on the internet, so that things you can play with the help of internet. So that's the way this play a important role, internet play important role in media and entertainment also. Is it clear right now? This point is clear.
Yes.
Next one is social networking. What is social networking? You know, there are many social sites. Social sites means the sites on which you can communicate with your friends. The sites which help you to chat with your friends. So you know Facebook, you know Twitter,
Twitter.
LinkedIn,
Yes.
Facebook. So these are the social networking sites which help you to communicate with your friends, to share the documents, and to share your thoughts with your friends, with your neighbors, with your in your relations. That means these social sites help you to communicate with any other. So you know that this, without internet you cannot use the social sites. So the internet is also
Yes.
play important role in the social networking site, to work with the social networking sites also. Is it clear right now? Clear or not? Students, clear? Okay,
Yes.
next one is forum.
Yes.
Next one is forum.
Sir, now time finished.
What?
Time over.
Wait 1 minute. Next one is forum. Students, the forums are online discussion sites. What are forums? That are online discussion sites where like minded people can hold a conversation in the forum are posted messages. That means if forum is a discussion site where you discussion sites you can join and you can put your view. Suppose if forum is made by someone, and that means there are discuss. Suppose some discussion is happening about the politics of India. So you can join and you can also talk about the politics of India. You can put your views. You can write comments of anyone. So there are many forums are available on the internet. So Google Forum is one of the very popular forum on the internet. So I will show you after this one. The next one is health and fitness. You know that many doctors provide you the consultants online internet. You just pay their fees online, and they will provide you the consultant, and they will check your medical reports online, and they will write the medicines online. You just take the medicines and be healthy without going to the doctor shop. Is it clear? Clear to you?
Yes.
So that's is the end of the internet and advantage of the internet. Tomorrow I will discuss about the disadvantage